Is this thing on?
Tom's ex-wife.
Does your RV furniture look like that?
Right here. Right here. You can tell it's getting ready to start.
Separating right there.
How are we gonna get this out the door?
How are we gonna get these in the door? That's the question.
Tom's got tiny tools.
That's not funny. I'm Tom. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie. And I'm Cherie. And we're Enjoy the Journey.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. Does your RV furniture look like that? Well, we have a solution for you, a website that will ship you new furniture quickly. It's actually free shipping, plus there's a 5% discount if you use our link below in the description. So we are going to replace this with brand new, better furniture.
Yes, I'm excited.
Going to the office to pick up our brand new Rec Pro furniture.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
So
I'm excited about
It's
this.
going to be very cool. Hi there.
Hello.
Hi.
You got a lot of mail.
I bet I do.
Is it big?
It is. All of that.
All right.
What?
Great.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Well, one little one.
Oh, okay.
This is
Got
yours.
some mail. All right. Good deal.
Wow, it's like Christmas.
Come on in. You want them?
I'm stuck to it.
Okay. You need a truck? You want to go get a vehicle?
My truck is actually
Yeah,
not
he's got
very
the
far,
truck right out front.
So, and you guys have like carts at all? Or?
No, we don't. Ours broke. I'm so sorry.
We can just slide it out towards the door and then
That might be.
back up the truck to the office.
Yeah, I can move it.
We're gonna have to take everything apart out here. Unboxing in the parking lot.
Parking lot unboxing. I think we will definitely have to do that. Okay, we'll get to see how this baby comes apart.
It's heavy.
All right, we gotta figure out how to take this old furniture out of here. We believe it's gonna break into 3 pieces after we take the right metal brackets off.
So there's a whole piece here.
It's gonna be these brackets. If we take all of these off all the way around here, it will allow this piece to come off.
Right.
I do very little RV repair. That's not something I do.
That's not your thing?
That's not my thing. But I have used a tool a time or two. Had to dig up all the tools. So it's Tom's tool time. Go to Tom's tool shed, which is underneath the RV, dig out all this stuff to see if I have the right thing. And so I found this right here. This tool.
Okie dokie, what is that even?
This will do the job right there.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna have to do this by hand with that teeny tiny tool,
Well-
Tom?
Tom's teeny tiny tool. Hey, I don't want no references to that being any part.
Tom, Tom's got tiny tools.
That's not funny. I wanted to use this, but I just don't quite have the right stuff to make that happen. I'm not gonna race to the store. I think this will go pretty fast. But if it doesn't, Cherie gonna speed that up so it goes really fast. Yes, yes, the theory is sound. This is the old furniture. The new stuff will be a lot easier than this. That wasn't so bad.
Oh, you're done already?
Yeah.
That was fast.
This little tool can work wonders. Tom's fast with his tiny tools.
It's not the size, it's how you use it.
That's right.
Heavy.
Hope the new stuff is lighter. Look at that. Ta-da!
Ta-da. This is what Tom does presentations on.
I guess that's not going to be salvageable, is it? Guess we're going to have to do a little cleaning here, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's all your snacks from late night.
Years of late night. It's like an old edamame bean.
I see that.
And there's that ice cream truck. It's going on and on and on.
One more treasure. My Cherie amor. Oh. Really as the summer. Now we can have air conditioning again.
These are my kind of instructions, only 2 steps to put these together. How awesome is that? Let's see if I can not mess up 2 steps. I'm kind of like a not read instructions kind of guy, so I just like to grab stuff and put them together. can easy line up some holes here. Wow, just like that. How cool is that? Yes. I can kind of show you how these little pieces right there, that just locks into those slots right down there. So put that right there. Get our bright light just like so. And we have one piece. Ah, yeah. Ah, what's playing? What kind of movie are we gonna watch tonight? Where's my drink?
What's all this?
What?
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Hello.
She's been riding right along with us the whole way.
Tom's ex-wife. Is that a driver's license?
Are we done yet?
In 100-degree heat? I hope so.
All right. Oh, there's some of the
Napkins!
napkins. Now I get to use my power tools. Does it catch me all the way up here?
I can see your crotch. Look at all these napkins. Tom is a napkin freak. This is insane.
I don't have anything to do with
He's attached at the hip with this. I'm gonna include a picture of you praying to the napkin gods. I have it. I have it.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Plus follow us on other social media.